Yo, good morning, good morning. What's up, IG? What's up, YouTube people? Another day we trading. Oh, so I had an interesting situation. Had a water main breakage. Kind of prevented me on some things. Get this webcam looking right. All right. Hold on. Yeah, like that. All right. Let's go ahead and open the MetaTrader 5. All right. Oof. What are you motherfuckers? Motherfucker. Alright. Hopping on pretty late this morning, 8 a.m. Very late. With the water main breakage I had, I was unable to take a shower. So I just kind of waited a little bit. Water came back on. I was able to take a shower, get myself feeling fresh, and then I hopped on the charts. Really wasn't too worried about being so on time today too. That was another thing I thought about too, is because Friday, I'm trying to save myself up really for Friday because we have pretty good news events that day. And since today's the 6th, I mean, really not too much popping off today. So, looking to looking to scale into better positions tomorrow. But I still want to make sure I hop on the stream this morning because I am going to be trading regardless every single day we trade, Monday through Friday. Doing my best I can to try and make it possible for everybody to see that you can be a profitable trader and exactly on how to do it as well. And necessarily showing through more actions, not just talking about it. And I don't got no courses on that. Just doing live streams. The more and more my community grows, and the more and more I keep pushing the industry Forex, I eventually might come out with a course myself. But until then, I'm really enjoying the live streams. Four-hour bears coming to relative support. Yeah, 162.598. I feel like it's gonna hold pretty strong. One 162.598 definitely is looking to hold pretty strong. I'm looking to really stay pretty reserved for today. Oh, man. Excuse me, hold on 1 second. My apologies. I'm feeling not the greatest this morning. Webcam right. Hold on. Nah, it's too low. So like that. Oh, this stream of light look weird. Oh, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I'm not feeling so good today. I don't know what's going on. Feel too good. My stomach I feel like nauseous and shit. Alright though, alright, we good, we good, we good. So 15 minutes left in this candle here. This is 30-minute charts. As of right now, not making any trades at this point. We're not really looking to rush any positions. Haven't seen any really confirmations at this point. Looking like it's going to be in a range. Probably going to be ranging between 1710, 1719. I don't know. I wouldn't say for too long, but NYSE starting here in 15 minutes. We could probably look to scale into a position there. NYSE, I just want to see how big this range is. So this range is about 90 pips. Okay, so definitely something we like to see, right? Candles have been moving pretty intensely, though, I will say. If we're going the hour, yeah, this looks terrible. This looks weird. Price seems super consolidated, and it doesn't look like it really wants to push so far down. That's why I believe if we do anything today, I feel like I'm gonna be looking to probably scaling positions, possibly impulsive buys 1719, and it just depends on what time that happens. You know, I would prefer that to happen within the 8:30 candle, 'cause that's NYSE, and we can have New York session stock exchange volume, and can probably help push our move up to at least this 1725 resistance. We can take profits, stop loss, break even, risk-free trade. We can either at that point hold to secure more profits, or we can close 50% of the position, or 80%, which would probably be smarter. Close about 80 to 90% of your position. Leave about 20% to 10% of your position to run with stop loss, break even. If we continue up, you still make a little bit more money. And if we come back down, no loss, no shame, no foul. You took the 80 or 90% profit. You took profit up here. So it's kind of how I'm from the hourly, it's kind of what I'm seeing. Cause like from the hourly, it just looked like sales does not look like that wants to play out at all. We've got a lot of consolidation here, more consolidation here. Got a bunch of trades placed in, buy, sells. Until I see a clear break at the like 1700 level, I believe that's when we can start selling off. Um, yeah, especially because we on the 4 hour we still got to support. We barely created a top wick on this new 4 hour. We have started to create a bottom wick, which is exactly what we want to see. At this point, this is like a play the trick on your eyes right now. We're on the 4 hour chart at this point. I know you can't see it, but at the top here, see, I gotta change that because you guys can't see what chart I'm on. Maybe if I put the background thing, hold on. There's probably something I can do that says on the background what it is. I'm pretty sure that's a thing. Scales text. Fuck. Well, I'll figure this out later. I think there's a way I can put like, for instance, gold, we put XAUUSD and it's like in the background and it'll say like 4 hour, 1 hour, and it'll say it on my chart. Um, maybe if I can. Huh. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie though. It looks like we're gonna be very patient. These plays could come at for sure, man, possibly 8:30, but more we're looking around 9, even maybe 10 o'clock. We might hit a position. Might be the latest time I've been on a session. I did hop on really late though today. I started even late, like around like 8:05 this morning. I started my session. Had little issues, had a water main breakage, and had no running water, bro. I couldn't brush my teeth. I couldn't do nothing. So I thought at that point I was like, man, I'm just gonna make me a little breakfast. So I woke up at 6, man, got me a little breakfast. Kind of picked up my room. You know what I'm saying? Pick up the pad. You know what I'm saying? A little bit, and then I had to buy a bunch of water bottles. It's kind of how I've been like rocking. I mean, I was able to brush my teeth, but I went to go buy some water bottles. And now the water's back on, so I took me a little shower, feeling fresh, feeling good. And I told myself, I was like, you know what? NYSC hasn't started, so let's hop on there. Just trying to see if I can hit some trades. And if I'm gonna trade, I'm trying to make sure every time I trade that I'm live. Chart's looking pretty bare right now, but I'll be giving I might be writing an analysis. I'm not too sure right now. Just like how it looks right now. I'm not really too keen on any sales at this moment. Like I said, I think if I was to scale into any sales, believe it was below this right here, 1703, or even 1700. Even then, though, lower time frames, it still looks terrible. Something I am noticing here, though, but it's a really delicate situation. I say that like every stream, but oh shit. I just pressed some shit on my magic keys. Hold on. Alright, cool. Thank guys. Make sure it didn't open no trade on me or some shit. Woo. Alright, so if anybody don't know, this is the magic keys tool. The best tool any man can have. If you a construction worker, one day you gonna rather use this tool than your hand drill, your hammer, your jack saw, whatever you got. I'm telling you, this you gonna love this tool much better. Your knives, your chainsaw, whatever it is, but I'm telling you, the best tool you gonna get is the magic tools. The magic keys. It's the magic tools. Come out with like a rip off brand of the magic keys and call it magic tools. That'd be super cheap. I find the plug on the software. He's able to like I am able to get hella dished out so I can throw it for really low. I can like throw it for like 75, $80 instead of like 100 and something. So GJ's pushing down pretty nicely at this point. Can't really zoom out, which is annoying. Yeah, but I don't know, man. I look at GJ and I'm just like, hell no. I feel like, bro, this thing can hold so easily. And if I'm not mistaken, I don't really know much is going on today. I mean, it's gonna be NYSE coming up, but I really don't see. I don't see gold wanting to push further down. I mean, I pushed down already quite a bit. At some point, I feel like we will start forming a support. But we might want to play back in these, like, I say the lowest we can go, honestly, is going to be 161. I could see that. I could see that. I don't think we're going to go any past that. Because I can see 161 hold support. We start ranging here for Friday. Maybe Friday wants to break back up to the 164 area. Or might want to push down back into like the 159s, 158s. All relative, just patience. See what happens. See how the candles print. Um, we got 5 minutes till NYSE. 5 minutes with NYSE, it just makes me just skeptical because I really, this is just pure volume off NYSE. There's no like news events. It's super consolidated. Relatively, I mean, it's a nice candle. I mean, this is a nice candle. Really is. I mean, you put a sell right there. I can see us maybe securing 10 pips pretty easy because I'm looking to secure 10. But I just don't like how much consolidation we got here. It just seems pretty uneasy. I mean, all the higher time frames kind of confluence with the sell. Yeah, everything's in pretty much confluence with this sell. If it closes with no wick on the bottom, though, I'm definitely gonna renege on entering. Let's take a look back at gold, see what's going on gold. Cause we got 3 minutes. Not gonna lie, ladies and gents, I'm a little skeptical. I'm a little skeptical here. But being NYSC is what's really making me more interested to hit that sell button. I got 2 minutes, so I'm really trying to get to my thoughts together if I really want to do this or not. That 15 minute looks beautiful. Let's see how I really look like. $30 on that hourly. Alright, so I think I might take one trade today on this. It looks like a decent position. In my opinion, it's gonna be very risky though. It's risky only because we're so close to the support here. So anybody honestly that's kind of skeptical following this trade, no worries. It seems like it's a little risky. That's all I gotta say. A very, very, very risky trade. I feel like I can see this potentially play out only because higher time frames are kind of in confluence with me on this, and I feel like being NYSC, I can see GJ. I can see it squeezing at least 10. You know, 50 seconds. 50 seconds. 'Cause this could be dangerous. I'm getting my finger on that. It's getting a little dangerous. Alright, so I'm gonna close if it goes like 14 against me. This is kind of expected at this point. Supports, getting this top wick. Hopefully we make this top wick. Don't push up too high and push down, you know what I'm saying? Being NYSC, has some confidence within this trade. Eleven, 14. Let's go ahead. 50% my position. It's kind of expected, honestly. The support here really just, honestly, I kind of expected this. So I can't be too mad about it, honestly. It's just kind of like one of those things where I was kind of taking a risk and definitely took that. And people might ask, well, why wouldn't you enter a buy there? Well, reason why I wouldn't enter a buy is 'cause I'm not trying to go against basic fundamentals, and 'cause you start getting in bad habits. But as of right now, though, if I was to tell myself in the future, it's definitely that consolidation over there is pretty strong. We have a lot of orders, really risky to enter on a time like that. So, not terrible. You know what I'm saying? It's only one trade, so um, not a big deal. Trying to keep it under 1.5%. See how we did on that. So, yeah, it's about 1%. Not terrible. Not terrible. So yeah, this is not surprising, right? So we can definitely see this happening now. If this candle closes 100% bullish, I'll take 1 to 2 trades every day. So if this candle closes bullish, uh, we might see what happens, right? But until then, I'm gonna take a look at gold. See what's going on, gold. Yeah, so this is totally not surprising to me, honestly. Probably bet my best decision there would have just been be patient. Be patient. I got to remember that all London session 2 has been dropping. New York session, does it really want to keep dropping, right? We might want to start forming supports, especially forming supports in an area like this, right? So, something I can easily keep in mind for next trade. Or, like, anytime I have another session. So, definitely glad I was able to catch that live because it's going to help me learn. It's going to help me do everything much better in the future. And plus, I'll be able to see it now firsthand, you know what I'm saying? So, that's something I really like. So now we can probably look at this hour with a big old wick. Not and see this is another thing I noticed. This hourly when I opened up an hourly, obviously it was like this, right? But we still had 30 minutes or more. It was like 36 minutes left on that candle, something like that. And I saw it was already all the way down here, right? I had a feeling that we could start pulling back up. I mean, this candle could still close like this, boom, right? Closes like this, and then we start flooding back down. But either way, you gotta understand that if you're trying to get sales, you gotta have the right entry, and we're probably trying to look for that retracement entry. And the retracement entry would be like, it comes up here, then we start forming our little resistance, and then boom, you know what I'm saying? You hit your little sell up there when I started that resistance, right? Because it's the retracement. But um, we're just we're just gonna chill back at this point. That's what I should have done. I should have chilled back even more. Just been like, hey, whatever. I was a little just trying to make sure I catch a play, just trying to catch it real quick. But clearly, um, we understand that those prices, those trades that were all priced in, I got a lot of positions there, so not the smartest idea to hit a sell right there. Oh man, my boy's in the chat with me right here. I didn't even put this on my IG. I need to put this on my IG. DJ dropping as well. It is risky. You might want to kind of pull back. You could do. Yep. Oh yeah, bro. Yeah, easily, man. We should, most definitely. But yeah, with all this, with all the, yeah, definitely. We it in the yeah higher time frames, it's kind of giving me more confluence. But something I just definitely didn't really pay attention to, which should have kind of thought more like after I've obviously like lost this trade, was starting right there at 2 o'clock. 2, 3. What the fuck? Oh, I'm on the fourth. Oh, Jesus. All right, where the fuck is that? Right here. So 2 o'clock, obviously, candle pushed up. Boom. Start of the London session, and then after that, it just crumbled down. I mean, the start of it, obviously, I mean, 130, boom. Obviously, I mean, that's pretty solid. Anybody that traded the London session, I mean, that'd probably be pretty lit, because I mean, this is a easy support to buy from. I mean, yeah, that's a sweet play for a London session, right? You would have been super profitable, and then you would have went to sleep with buys, and then never fully like you probably would have went to sleep and been like, damn, this shit just kept dropping down. But yeah, it just basically just keeps dropping down, and all these all this consolidation right here is just clear and evident that real risky, real risky, real risky, real risky. But we stay under 1.5%, so that's the goal every single day. Stay under 1.5. So that's not bad. That's not bad. The trade I took over here though was a little silly though. It was at first kind of like a losing position, but then like 50% of my position went into profits, and I opened another position. And when I opened another position, the one that I've already 50%, it was in 10 pips profit. When I hit 50 or 10 pips profit or stop loss break even, it even moved my stop loss break even on my new trade that I put, which was like a pip profit. and I was like, what the hell? So that shit obviously got hit stop loss break even, and it was a little frustrating. So something I do gotta figure out with my magic keys is how to like individually manipulate the trades. Like how do I gotta figure that out. Cause like if I put two trades down at one time, I got two positions going at once. It's really frustrating because I don't know how to necessarily 50% one position, move one position, stop loss only. I even clicked the trade. You know what I'm saying? And shit, and that was frustrating because then I had to open a third position, which honestly, like, I'm trying to practice the best I can on my stream. You know what I'm saying? Showing risk management, 1 to 2 trades every single day. But right there, bro, I just knew it was gonna be a winning position. I was like, how the fuck am I gonna lose this shit? And you know what I'm saying? So little things I gotta look up and learn on the magic keys, but a little bit of stuff on magic keys ain't too much videos kind of explaining too much stuff. You know what I'm saying? You kind of have to learn, and I don't really just like. I mean, I guess like you say, I'm being lazy because I'm not opening a demo and practicing with it just to like see how it works. But I know the basics and how it works, and it works fine for me. But when it comes down to like doing stuff like that, it would be really beneficial to be able to manage two positions and use the magic keys without having to manipulate both positions when I hit like stop loss and entry. Like I don't want both them bitches to go, or if I want one to close full and the other one to keep going, I can't do that. So it makes it kind of difficult. At this point, I'm definitely more interested in trading gold. Especially we can potentially get a candle close up here. Um, or if this candle closes right here, I'm gonna just chill out. If it's like 9 o'clock, this one closes like this, and we start pushing up past this, I might enter. But I just don't like how high this wick is. Yeah, yeah, for sure. So now this is where it gets kind of interesting with gold, right? Because I've had moments before with gold where I told myself like I wouldn't buy because like it hasn't broke the resistance necessarily, but it's such a strong first support candle that it closed like this, shot up. I waited for the impulse of entry somewhere along here. It looked about like the same setup. And whenever I entered right here, it just started kind of rejecting right here, and it kept pushing up. But at first, man, just ooh, it was just bad timing, bad luck. I don't know, man. It was what it was. Price did what it did. It ended up pushing, but uh, even with a 25 pip stop one time, man, it like rejected pretty hard here, and then continue pushing up. Man, you would look back at the 30-minute candle and be like, bro, how'd you even lose? But it's crazy because it's such a fat wick. It's like, damn, bro, it's crazy how gold is. So it's like so critical with the entry. So critical with the entry. Um, so NYSE bringing some pretty good volume to the markets. I mean, it's nothing. We're not seeing nothing crazy. It's not like jumping right now. But at the end of the day, we got some stuff moving. I will say though, man, that GJ trade, wow, that that's a fat ass support wick. I will say that. Which we can't even be surprised though at all. Like that should kind of basically do that. I mean, I would expect that almost. That's why it was silly. It was a silly decision. But no matter what, um, I don't even know how I feel about entering buys on there because I really would just rather stay out of that position. I don't know how much it really wants to keep pushing back up. I feel like at this point it want to range. How much is it already pushed? Keep forgetting. Like 180 pips. I mean, it's really not that much. I've seen GJ push way more. But then again, today's not I gotta remember, today's not the craziest day. I gotta save myself. I gotta remember that. Because tomorrow's the big day. Man, tomorrow's the day I gotta really be on my A game, man. I gotta be ready to go. Really hit the charts, study, hit my market fluidity, all that stuff. Just get back, you know what I'm saying? hit that shit up. Cause I'm trying to be ready to go. I'm trying to do the best I can to get the best information to my people that tap in with me, and see how it goes. I ain't gonna lie, this range look hella ugly though. It's like fat. Like it's fat. It's probably 50 pips this week itself. I'm sick. It literally is 50 pips. That's crazy as fuck. What the? That's just nuts, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That's crazy. Yeah, ladies and gents, honestly, I don't even know, man. I just don't know like, anything how the market's moving today. It just look weird. I hopped on a little late. Um, I'm not gonna even lie. Whenever my fucking water was broke, at this 7 o'clock candle, I literally opened my trading view on my phone and I looked at this and I saw the candle close like above all this resistance and I was like, damn, bro, this is like the perfect time to buy. And this candle right here, hold on, why is it 8 o'clock? Yeah, it was 7:30. So, right at 7:30 when this candle opened, this wick formed super early. Like it literally just pushed straight up, and I was like, damn, dog, this would be the time I'd fucking not be on my stream right now. You know what I'm saying? I was like, what the fuck? So that shit hella sucked. Cause I was looking at that like, damn, bro, that was like easy 10 pips, nice secured. Uh, I think it pushed up about 30, 40. Yeah, pretty much 30. It's 28 pips. So I mean, it's still a really damn good trade, really easy. But at the end of the day, man, you had to been quick. You had to been on your toes. You had to been able to secure that, and then cause obviously we see what happened. So if I'm being honest, I think if it closed somewhere in here a little bit below, I think I'd feel better about getting into buys. Being so up here, hell no, that's crazy. That's crazy. Cause at that point it made me dumbass nervous, bro. Cause it's such a flip of a coin at that point. Cause you're still technically in the range. Yes, it's support, but damn near it's a resistance too. Like, it's right there. And knowing gold, it can just push right back down. Like right here, I feel better about it because at least I have at least got a wick I can kind of expect to somewhat feel. Um, just gotta pay attention to the higher time frames though because we could get ourselves in a bad position. And I mean, oh shit, let's move some shit. Uh, but as you can see though, pretty bearish, pretty bearish right now. So for the week though, we only got one more day left in this week. I wonder how it's gonna. I mean, it's bullish, but so if it's bullish, so something I have in my mind, this day might want to push down a little bit more, and then tomorrow I might want to come push back up. So you're probably gonna see a fatter wick. It might push back down, and then boom, we're gonna shoot back up tomorrow because of the news, and then the candle will close something like this. Maybe we'll see. I'd like to see how this end of this week's gonna close, 'cause that's pretty interesting. This it's crazy to think too, 'cause like I didn't even pay attention to this honestly, but if I would have paid attention to this weekly candle closing here, like looking like a support, look at that. That's nuts. I mean, that's actually nuts. Hold on. Oh my god. Measuring this is gonna be nuts. I bet you there's gonna be so many pips. Bro, there's no shot. This is a weekly candle. There's no shot that's 10 pips. That'd be sick. There's no shot. What the fuck? Could you imagine? The 22nd? Or the 26th? Oh, imagine entering that buy on Monday? Or no, that wouldn't be Monday. That would be fucking the end of that week. It'd be like Friday. You'd have to put that shit in. That's nuts. So, oh my god, almost 1,000 pips. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's nuts. If you'd have entered Friday, bro, literally it is like a 10 pip. That's crazy. Oh my god. Holy smokes. So, damn. This just off that, man, I really need to pay attention to my weekly candles at the end of every week. Wow. I mean, that's pretty interesting. I mean, you can kind of have a slight expectation of maybe what happens, you know? Does that too closer to resistance, anything like that? You might be like, maybe stay away from buys, you know? Might just fucking dump. 4 hours still bearish as mud. So, auto buys is out the window at this point so far. We still got a lot of time left on this 30-minute candle, to be honest. So, um, it's tough, man. I think I might want to stay out of this. I think I might find a better play tomorrow. This is just getting too delicate. This range is funny, man. It's funny. I mean, this candle close bullish, right? Seems okay, but those higher time frames, man, kind of scare me. And we already took one loss today. Um, at this point, I think I'd rather probably just take two losses. If so, right? I'm gonna take two dubs tomorrow, but if the chance happens, I gotta keep it in mind. We gotta keep our possibilities in mind. I'd rather put more risk on the table tomorrow than today. So almost considering, depending, I don't know. I want to take a look at some of these more candles, right? I don't want to end the stream too early because I did hop on late. Um, but yeah, definitely, definitely considering some things. And like, even though the higher time frames is pretty bearish, I don't even know how I feel about entering sales. Just it don't seem right. Well, hell no. Just what we experienced with GJ. Um, yeah, look at all that. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. That's what happened. If I was to enter a sell, man, I could easily see fat old bullish candle right after this. Um, do I want to enter a fucking buy at that point? No, sir. No, sir. No buys. I ain't trying to be risky trying to play this like it's just gonna hold. I ain't trying to put imaginary things in your head. You can tell yourself anything. I'm looking at what the hell I'm seeing. And I did that with GJ. I was telling myself something, trying to believe that when I should have paid attention more to the price, what was really going on, the consolidation. I mean, easy spot to hit support, and it's exactly what happened. So at this point, fuck no, it's rather be safe than sorry. Cause low key it is that low key it feeling like that. Like it's not like it's like damn, you know what I'm saying? Like it never any loss anyway should ever feel like, you know, make you feel sad or anything like that. Cause obviously you're like over leveraging your account, but like it's like you feel sorry about yourself. You're kind of like cause you know like you just know better. You know what I'm saying? Like you take like you're kind of like damn, bro, I should have known better. So you're kind of like fuck. Yeah. It's delicate, boy. This is delicate. This is delicate. Oh my god, because I'm torn between two. So this is shitty. This is shitty when you want to trade two pairs, right? Because then you get moments like this. Which one? Which support you gonna buy, right? And man, ain't nothing worse, bro, when you choose the wrong pair. Like literally, you're like, say for instance, I'm like, I fuck around getting to buy on GJ, right? GJ just says fuck you and goes down, right? And then I've been like, I didn't know about gold. Gold just shits up. Oh my god, dude, that'd be the worst. You just be like, nigga. You just be like, bro, come on, man. How how you gonna just, you know? But then you just gotta pay attention to all the little catalysts that's what's in the markets. You know what I'm saying? Just pay attention to all the little types of things you can probably pay attention to understand your bias and try and figure out exactly why you're wrong, why you had the incorrect bias, etc., etc. But that do make you feel bad. So let's compare higher time frames though, 'cause this looks terrible. I mean, this looks okay. I like how there's no wick at the bottom, right? 'Cause it's like kind of shows that it has no interest on pushing further down. But now it's becoming super weak, and this hourly candle's like bearish as a mug. Oh my god! I mean, either one of them. The hourlies look terrible. This one looks slightly better because it's starting to close within the support. But hell no, bro. GJ. The only thing that makes GJ look decent because you got all this consolidation here, but the hourly's closing bearish. Like I don't know, dog. That sounds scary. I don't know, man. I think I might just take a buy. Cause I think I'll choose gold. The reason why I'm gonna choose gold is because I like how the hourly is at least closing on this. It's closing at least above the support. GJ is closing below support, and like yeah, like there's a ton of consolidation, but that's like flipping a coin. I mean, it can hold and it cannot. You know what I'm saying? I've seen both play out, so that's kind of why I had so much confidence with that last trade. Cause it's like I've seen it play out. You know what I'm saying? Just blow through the fucking consolidation, but ain't blow through nothing that time. That shit, no sir. Yeah, so I could be looking at actually scaling to a position here, to be honest. I like how much consolidation we got here. As long as we close kind of above on this hourly, I'm feel better about entering. Uh, I guess I can just kind of get my trade ready. Something like that. All right, it's risky too. I mean, all these are delicacies. I mean, this trading has not been the best, like, really shown us the best present opportunities today. But every day, I'm trying to just get better. Even if it is looking rough, I just gotta know, secure what I can and do best I can. Right. So that's all I'm trying to do. Tomorrow's gonna be very interesting. Right. Tomorrow's a day where it's like I don't know though. Tomorrow's very very difficult. Yeah. No. Yeah. For sure. But then if this pushes up too much, though, I'm not gonna want to buy it. All right, we got 20 seconds, 17 seconds now. So we is gonna be risky on this. Oh shit. He says it's strong 4 hours, so it's true. I like what we got Mario said in the chat. Anybody be careful on this trade. Risky position for sure. I think I'm about 13, 130, something like that. 13 pips. I'll go ahead 50% my position. Expected to deal with some drawdown here, honestly. Like 100% we expected with that. But if I was looking at both, like I was like, I'm pretty sure if I remember correctly, hourly on both, like high time frames on both of them was pretty bearish, like GJ and gold. But if I was to choose between two of them, I definitely thought that the GJ was the better decision, or gold, excuse me. Um, but yeah, it's delicate situation we in right now, dealing with some drawdown here. So just looking to manage as best we can. Just kind of keep it calm, keep it cool. Um, really that's the idea about trading. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be like letting it trip you out. GJ's looking not too bad. Gold's starting to go against me, so I'm gonna go ahead and close 50% here because obviously it's starting to go against us. Um, a rougher day today. Rougher day today. We had a real rough day. Let me put this on my chat real quick. Hold on, before this motherfucker hits. God damn. Don't do it just yet. Hold on. Let me get this on the story at least. Oh shit, bruv. Oh fuck, that's terrible. I always be not even in that motherfucking in that webcam. God damn it. Hold on. Those fucking ads. Alright. So, oh yeah, we're looking to hit stop loss. Oh my goodness, we're so close. Alright, so ladies and gents, a rougher day today. I ain't gonna lie. 1 to 2 trades today. Both trades went to a loss. My apologies to anybody that was, really put some strong faith in the trades I had today. I want to let you know, very risky positions. Um, Regardless, though, we're gonna be here tomorrow. Still gonna manage this position throughout the live. Just gonna just chill back and see how it goes. Um, I might close another 50% here. Probably be a smart idea. See if we can push up a little bit higher. No, close another 50. I want to close another 50 just to lower the risk, just in case we actually hit full stop loss break even. See where we're at right now. 14. Yeah. So it's funny. So looking at this, man, it's exactly what I was talking about, right? Exactly what I was talking about. Which one's the better one to choose? Oh my god, it's like I'm speaking shit into existence at this point. Look at this, sickening. Oh yeah, about 5 pips drawdown. Nice little 14, nothing crazy, but hey, that'd have been a better, that'd have been a more favorable position, right? But I mean, everything was so difficult to choose, right? Everything was like, everything was like, bro, 4 hours tough on this. Hourly, hourly. What am I talking about? It's just open. The hourly close bears in the mug. Got a lot of consolidation, right? It did it to me once before on this exact pair, so something I can consider. Um, gold's a beast, right? Gold just does what it does. Gold just does what it does. So, you know, uh, a rough day today. A rough day today, fellas. You put your stop loss. You put your stop loss there 'cause that's 10 pips, or what you're willing to risk. No. Actually, when I trade, it's 25 pips. Most of my positions are like 25 pip stop losses, and then each position I have is gonna be risk 1.5% of my account. So yeah. So that's kind of what I did right there. Generally, I just hold about 25 pip stop loss, and I think it's about a good in between. I feel like every time I have a 10 pip stop loss, it was just too small. I mean, you'd have to be so critical on your entry that it was just made it difficult, you know. But yeah. Yeah. So, hey, Mario, I appreciate you tuning in, man. Man, my apologies, man. I couldn't get no good trades. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, you able to just maybe stay back. I'm sure I know you always go off your own analysis, everything like that. So, you know what I'm saying, I'm sure you did what you had to do today. Definitely a tough day to try to trade. So, if you had some profitable trades, man, great job. For real, it's kind of tough to be a little profitable within this situation. At least I felt like today was relatively more difficult to trade, but no excuses. Still profitable entries to be made. Just gotta get better. I just gotta get better. Um, Tomorrow though is another day. Tomorrow we gonna be back here. Let's see. We got the news starting. I believe, if I wasn't mistaken, I thought it was 7:30. Yeah, 7:30. So 7:30 a.m. is gonna be nuts. That's gonna be nuts. Gonna have to be ready for that. Um, really is gonna look to do the best I can. Really. But hey, man, everybody tapped into the stream today. I just want to say thank you so much for tapping into my stream. Um, Gonna have a great day tomorrow. Really looking forward to it. Been a decent week. Can't say it's been the best week. But we've had a pretty decent week so far. Uh, but no matter what though, you guys have a great rest of your guys' day, and I'll see you guys. Hell yeah. Okay, bet. Yep, that sounds great. 6:30 a.m. Eastern time. Yep. Sounds like a plan, my man. Um, well, you guys have a great rest of your day. Mario, man, I appreciate you tapping into my stream for real. It means a lot to me, bro. Um, And yeah, you guys have a great day. Anybody that did tune in, even for like 5 minutes, bro, 2 minutes, if you're still here now, just drop a like on the stream. Helps get this stream out to the YouTube algorithm, and I can keep pushing this content out. So thank you guys so much for tapping in with me, and I should be back here 6 a.m. Central Time, and yep, that should be the plan. So you guys have a great rest of your day, and see you